Hello, my name is Daniel. Welcome to my screencast. I'm using Camtasia as a screencasting tool, and this is Canva that I will briefly go over. I use it for a variety of purposes to create flyers for the library, school assignments. I'm also using it to make a cookbook, at least to help me edit a cookbook that I'm going to give out as Christmas gifts later in the year. So they have a lot of pre-existing templates that you can use to bounce ideas off of to create your own ideas or create your own flyers. So this one, and my computer goes extremely slow right now. Extremely slow. Yeah, so simple habits that'll make you feel happier. We could alter this for our own purposes. Simple ways to use the library. Yeah, so you can alter the text, zoom in here. Each of these have a little box of text and graphic. There's also these over here on the left-hand side. There's text that you can use. These are different headings, different fonts you can use. The font size is up here and different fonts right there. You can also upload your own photos. So if you have photos that you want to upload, you could put them onto this document if you had something like a picture of your library or story time you wanted to do. So you could change all of this. Simple ways to use your library. Story time. And then you could change this. I don't know. Hours. So this is just extraordinarily brief introduction to Canva. You can add pages down here. And then you can duplicate pages as well, which would essentially create the same page twice. And then you can delete pages. There's a lot to explore in Canva, and yeah, that's about it. So I definitely highly recommend exploring it, using it. Maybe your library has a subscription to the Pro version, which gives you a lot more. And then you can share it over here. You can download it as PNG or different files, and yeah, save it to your computer. So yeah, that's Canva in a nutshell.